station and I jump on the bus. So come along with me as I journey from Montego Bay to Mandeville. These two men, they talk all the way from Montego Bay to Westmoreland. Non-stop. 3 hours talking non-stop. Oh my God. I don't know how they did it, but they had conversation right through. I know, right? So close to all what's going on here, Grandpa. Look at Grandpa.
So, finally get her. Finally reach. After a long day on the road, she's finally here. Well, I will never meet again. Sorry. I'll go. Where you going? Where you come out smiling? Yeah, I can't believe it for 13 hours. Mommy, I do 30. Come. 13 hours. Can you believe it?
Not hurt from the airport. I felt that stranded. No, I was in Mandeville. The driver here, look at him. Driver. See it, people? When you get stranded at the airport, this is the bus, okay? We stayed at this location, nice lawn. It's like hiding away from our mom. She don't know that we're here. She not gonna know that we're here until the party. This is where we stayed. Yeah, because as I said, we're hiding from our mom. And we're staying here because it's a party that she don't know about. And this is where I said it's a beautiful place. And this little water place here is nice. In the back of the yard. That is nice. I meet Bronx. This is Kim's dog, Bronx. Bronx getting knocked into the place. Can't keep quiet. Sister Boya. Sean, what's up? Hey. I'm getting my nails done and it's privately. And it's what, 7 o'clock in the morning. I had to get up. I was so tired last night. I'll have to get up this morning to do my nails. Look, nice and clean nails, and I'm gonna get them done. Excited. I'm waiting for the young lady to come to get my hair. Good to have your nail privately done. Waiting for her to come. So I'm here doing my finger, and
We got some shit.
I got some sheen for the first time. Oh my gosh. She told me I'm in Jamaica. We got to do some. So that's it. Yeah, I decided to do a little addition. I hope it comes out really nice. Oh, look at it. You like it? We're gonna be buying the wine here. So Kim, what we buying? We're gonna get the case of wine. Everything is busy at the liquor store. You're on camera. You guys are here. Just on your crumped up, man.
Bronx. Hi, Bronx.
Come on. Everybody is in the house for the party tomorrow.
Hi, Bronx.
This is the last crew, you know? Hey, Kasi, what's up?
Mommy, what's up?
What's up? Hey, Chrissy, what's good?
What, Beyonce, good?
Hi, everybody.
No, I'm having Beyonce.
She's hiding. Mommy, where you have to be there? You say,
Hey, look at you. Hey, look at you. Look at you.
We are telling you.
Yum, 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 yum.
Tired.
I know the feeling. Hi, Anya. Yes. Nobody else left. Where is Ari? Ari. Where is Ari? Not coming out. And then Denise, I forgot you. Where is my other sister? Look at you. Who is that? Rashid, that's you? Look over here. That's you?
just come down under the airport.
You just have come, Denise. You just have come. Mama picking them. Mama picking them in the place.
Hey, oh, put me out.
Nice. Have the memories. Yes. Breakfast morning and the day of grandma's birthday. We're all nervous. Yes. She is over there. We have the breakfast and the first day, not the first day, this is the day of grandma's birthday. And you know guys, we are setting up to call her from here to say happy birthday grandma. And I know she don't know yet that we're going to be here.
Oh my God, hi! You have a kid.
It's not a good feeling.
I don't go from nowhere.
Just finished making up my makeup for my mother's 90th birthday and I'm so excited. I haven't had makeup for a long time, so this is it. This is it. Good. Thank you. Okay, Sasha. Guys, remember to look out for the epic birthday party coming out soon. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this journey. So, guys, as always, remember to cook with love, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.